Hi there, brilliant minds and savvy savers. Are you tired of watching life's parade from the sidelines? Wondering how everyone else seems to be dancing in the rain of prosperity while you're just trying to dodge financial puddles? Does it feel like there's a VIP path to wealth that everyone's got but you? If you've ever found yourself pondering these questions, then you're in exactly the right place at the right time. Imagine unlocking a treasure chest filled with secrets to not just surviving, but thriving in a world that often feels like it favors the fortunate few. Today, we're not just going to share tips and tricks, we're diving deep into the heart of what it truly means to transform your financial destiny, one smart move at a time. From unmasking the illusion of social media's rich and famous to practical, real-world strategies for padding your wallet without padding your debt, we've got you covered. Whether you're scrimping to save or earning to splurge, this journey is for you. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and let's embark on this financial adventure together. Stay tuned till the end, and I promise you'll uncover insights that could very well be the key to unlocking a future where you're not just getting by, but getting ahead. Let's redefine what wealth means to you, starting now. Don't forget to subscribe, drop your opinion, and hit that like button if you're ready to change the game. Welcome to the path less traveled, where your financial enlightenment begins. It might surprise you, but a lot of folks don't mind being in debt because of their credit cards. A study by Bankrate shows that around 1/3 of Americans don't clear their credit card balance each month, and many aren't even bothered by it. They treat their credit card like it's free money that doesn't need to be paid back right away. Not everyone is upset about owing money, especially if they can handle the minimum payment each month. But with interest rates often hitting between 20 and 30%, clearing the full amount can seem like it takes an eternity. This have fun now, worry later attitude is popular. But what happens when even those small payments become too much and the interest starts eating up your budget? Just because some folks seem okay with piling up debt doesn't mean they're actually doing fine, even if it looks that way from the outside. It might look like your workmates are living it up, not worrying about money, but do you truly know what's happening in their lives when they're not at work? Are they really living large, traveling and shopping without a care? How is that possible when they make about the same as you? Well, just because their main job pays similarly to yours doesn't mean that it's their only source of income. Bankrate found out that a surprising 39% of Americans have a side hustle, bringing in an extra $800 a month on average. Not every person with a side hustle is just looking for extra spending cash. Even though it seems like they're chasing fun, many are actually working their main job, then heading straight to another. It's a deliberate choice they're making. Consider a friend who's always traveling and seeming to have a limitless budget. Likely, they're investing all their money into trips while saving on other things, like new outfits. Or that person who always looks trendy might not spend any money on vacations. And the one who just got a fancy house, they're probably cutting costs on everything else, feeling the weight of their big purchase. We often find ourselves jealous of what others possess without seeing the sacrifices they make. It's important to understand that everyone is making trade-offs, choosing one thing over another. They might seem to have everything, but that's just the surface appearance. A lot of people are really stretching their finances to the max to keep up a certain look. They believe that appearing successful means splurging. What's hidden from us are their shrinking savings, ignored retirement funds, the large bills causing stress, or the disagreements and sleepless nights they face. Social media plays a huge role in showing us only the fun and glamorous parts of people's lives. If we base our views on these highlights, we're looking at a skewed reality. They might post pictures of incredible journeys, brand new cars, or fancy parties, but that's not the whole story of their life. So even though they look happy and carefree, the reality could be very different. Nobody enjoys sharing their hard times on social media or with colleagues. Those parts are kept secret. What you're seeing is just the best bits. But trust me, not everything in their life is as flawless as it appears. Those who seem to have it all, flaunting luxury and living without worries, might be facing much more behind the scenes. It's surprising, but looking rich doesn't always mean being rich. This is true for everyone, no matter how much money they seem to show off. Some may look extremely wealthy, but are barely making ends meet. This false image of wealth is misleading. While they might look set for life, enjoying the good times, they could be lacking in savings or investments. Their extravagant spending is more about putting on a show than real affluence. Instead of saving or investing to really accumulate wealth, their cash goes into debts and keeping up appearances. So when you see someone flaunting a glamorous life, remember, there's likely more to the story. Their financial health could be much poorer than what their online image leads you to believe. Everyone starts their journey from a different spot. Some people get a big push from their families, like having college fees paid for them, setting them on an easier road. Others pick less costly education paths, working hard to avoid debt. Then there are those who skip college and jump into jobs that pay the bills but don't need a diploma. Some daring folks even start their own businesses, while others find work that helps them save up without needing a big investment to begin. Landing a job at the perfect time has also helped some people get to where they are now. It might look like we all had the same chances, but really the roads people have taken can be very different. This shows there are many paths to reach your goals. True wealth doesn't need to be shown off. Those who are really doing well often don't feel the need to flaunt it. They're happy just knowing what they have and don't aim to impress others. Usually the truly rich keep things quiet, avoiding too much spotlight. When you see someone flashing their wealth, it's good to wonder if they're really as well off as they seem, or if it's all just for show. They might not be doing as good as they want you to think. Remember, everyone has their own story, so what you see might not be the whole truth. Concentrate on your own path and make smart choices for yourself. Start saving and investing. It's not just about keeping your future safe, but also building a strong base for real success. Being wise with your money and how you spend it is key to creating a solid financial foundation. It's all about making choices that fit your long-term dreams, not just what looks good on the outside. Stick to habits that better your financial health. Saving and investing should be important parts of your journey, and keep at it. By doing this, you're not just creating an image of success, you're actually moving towards a stable and strong financial future. The way to financial success is different for everyone. Your path is unique to you, filled with chances to make smart, meaningful choices that build your financial life. But remember, knowing more gives you more power, especially in handling your finances. It's not just about making more money, it's about making each dollar do more for you. I encourage you to keep learning, asking questions, and looking for ways to better your financial health. I invite you to join our group of smart savers, wise spenders, and investment fans. Subscribe to keep up with the newest advice, tips, and insights that can help you build the wealth you're worthy of. Share your experiences, challenges, and wins in the comments. What obstacles are you facing? What subjects do you want to learn more about? Your input guides our shared journey, making sure we address the financial topics you care about most. Together, we're not just dreaming of a better financial future, we're actively making it happen. Because in the end, it's not about how much money you have, it's about making the most of what you've got and carving your own road to success. Your path is yours alone, but you don't have to walk it solo. Let's keep talking, sharing our stories, and growing together. The best time to start was yesterday, but the next best time is now. Let's make it meaningful. See you in the next video, where we'll keep unlocking the keys to financial freedom and success. Until then, keep pushing, stay curious, and take charge of your financial destiny. Together, we can do amazing things. Here's to your investing success. Profitable investing.